Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from domesticatedme.com and I'm so excited to show you the new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. As you can see, it is inspired by these crystal gemstones, so I am very much into that and I love the colors that are included in this. Check these amazing shadows out. So the palette comes with 4 matte shades that are on each corner. As you can see here, we have a very light beigey neutral, then we have a dark brown matte, we have a dark purple matte, and then we have this peachy matte right here. This is the one that's meant to be a transition color. This one you could use for right under the brow, and then these 2 dark mattes can be used to smoke out and darken the eye look. These crystals here in the middle are just crystallized shadows, are just incredible. So let me read you what the box says. It says, get inspired to create with the Stoned Vibes eyeshadow palette, a lineup of 12 all-new, highly reflective vegan shades infused with genuine tourmaline to block bad vibes and take your look higher. Have it all with 8 creamy prismatic shimmers and 4 down-to-earth grounded mattes. Manifest good vibes with Ojo, a multidimensional radiant blue, or dip into Opal Aura, a glowing iridescent shimmer. Whatever path you choose, Stone Vibes will empower you to live your best life. Vegan formula, which means does not contain animal-derived ingredients or byproducts. It says here, heads up, this creamy buildable formula is best when touched and swiped. For a more intense color payoff, use your fingers with the marbleized shimmer shades. Use the flat end of the double-ended brush with the matte shades to build depth, or diffuse and blend with the fluffy end. So the look that I have on my eyes right now was made with the palette. I used Karma, Antidote, Hexed, and then Tiger's Eye. I love this peachy, neutral, nude kind of a look. I think it's beautiful, gorgeous, and I love that these are multi-dimensional shadows. So depending on how you see it, the movement, you can see all these colors coming through. So I love that. So let's start with swatches. I'm going to swipe each shadow and then I'll show you how I created this beautiful, neutral, nudie, shimmery eye look. Here's the packaging for the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. And here is the palette. I love that the crystals are raised so it looks like they've glued actual crystals to the palette. It's definitely very cool and beautiful packaging. Here are the 12 shadows in the palette, which include 8 buildable prismatic shimmers and 4 high pigment mattes, all infused with genuine tourmaline for good energy and ultimate staying power. The gemstone-inspired marbleized eyeshadows are blendable and feature a hybrid powder cream vegan formula that gives you maximum shimmer and glitter without the fallout. It also includes 4 mattes to create a full look. I'm going to start with the matte shades. This is Good Karma, an ivory matte with sheen. This is Antidote, a peachy matte. This is Hexed, a reddish-brown matte. This is Third Eye, a deep eggplant matte with sheen. This is Jade, a green metallic micro glitter. This is Opal Aura, an iridescent shimmer. This is Tiger's Eye, a copper metallic micro glitter with a pink shift. This is Vibes, a rose metallic micro glitter. This is Bloodstone, a deep green with red metallic shift. This is Ojo, a royal blue metallic micro glitter. This is Raw Energy, a sheer violet sparkle. This is Meditate, a bronze metallic micro glitter. Moving on to this tutorial, I forgot to use Urban Decay's primer potion, but I encourage you to use it because it helps the shadow apply better and last longer. I'm starting by applying Good Karma to my brow bone. Then I'm applying Antidote to my crease and slightly above it. I'm shaping it into a more round look than my usual cat eye shape. Using my finger, I'm applying Tiger's Eye across my lids. I'm very impressed by how little fallout this has. To add some depth and dimension, I'm going to smoke this look out by adding hex to the outer corners of the eye. I'm going to drag it across the lash line and across the outer end of the crease, blending as I go along. Then I'm going to bring hex across the outer end of the lower lash line and drag it towards the center. I'm also going to bring it back up to the outer V of the eye. I'm going to apply Urban Decay's All Nighter Spray onto my pencil brush and apply Tiger's Eye across the inner corner of the eye towards the center. And then I'm once again going to deepen the look by applying a final touch of hex to the outer corners of the eye. To finish off this look, I applied black liquid liner and false lashes. I'm also going to use Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On pencil in the color Lucky to my bottom waterline. And here is my final Urban Decay Stoned Vibes eye look. Now, as you saw, I forgot to use my primer potion. I can't believe I forgot to use that, but I am also amazed by how well these shadows applied and stuck to my lid even without the primer. So this palette is a win for me. These shadows are absolutely gorgeous, so unique. I mean, and just beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. It's really making me excited for makeup again. I haven't worn a ton of makeup over the last several months because I have nowhere to go. And even when I'm filming, I've just not been in the mood to play with makeup. I haven't been that excited about makeup in a while, so I'll just put on a little foundation, a little something something. But this is it. This is it. I'm excited about makeup. I want to do more looks. Let me know if you want me to do another video that's just looks, because I want to dip into these other shadows so bad, especially the purples. I love purples. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see that. And there you go. That was the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. I hope that you liked the swatches so that you can get a good look at what these shadows look like and how they apply. I hope that you enjoyed my makeup look, because I certainly love it. I really love this look. So hopefully you enjoyed that. Give me a thumbs up if you did. And as always, check out the description box below where I link to all the products that I feature on my channel, but I also link to my social media pages. I have a blog, I'm on Instagram, I'm on Facebook. You can sign up to my newsletter, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and click that little bell icon next to the subscribe button and set your notifications on for all so that you don't miss a thing. I make new videos every single week, and I cover everything from beauty to fashion to travel to DIY projects, home decor, you name it, I cover it all. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.